Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kelly Misa-Fernandez and I create travel vlogs, I make bag reviews, and I also do beauty unboxing videos. If that's your sort of thing, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on that little bell sign so you will be notified every time I have a new video up. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @KellyMisa. Okay, so today is a highly requested video from you guys. I get a lot of requests from Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also here on YouTube asking for my everyday makeup routine. And here it is. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. And to be honest, the only reason why I haven't done it is because I don't find this routine very special or remarkable, only because I try to keep my makeup as natural and as light as possible. So I was really afraid to bore you guys. But since you requested for it, here it is. I try to keep my makeup really light. I really believe in the philosophy that less is more, especially when it comes to my makeup. And I think my rule of thumb is I need to look like myself as much as possible. When I start looking differently, then that's when I've applied too much makeup. Okay, so here it is. This is my everyday makeup routine. Okay, so let's start. I have absolutely no makeup on my face right now. I had just washed it with my facial wash and water. And the first thing I usually do is to put on primer, and I really love this one by Happy Skin. It's called Instabeauty. And I love using primers because they're kind of like a bridge between skincare and makeup, because it acts like a protective barrier for your skin, and it also kind of nourishes and moisturizes your skin while keeping it matte, so that when you apply makeup you won't get as oily. And I love this by Happy Skin. It's called Instabeauty Blur Cream. Okay, so this is actually perfect. Just put this much. This is actually perfect for summer because the primer will help mattify your skin, and so my skin doesn't become oily throughout the day because I have this underneath everything else. So just apply, just pat on very lightly and very gently on your skin and underneath the eyes, and kind of just spread it all around. Okay. Usually when I apply this, I skip the foundation and I just go straight to powder, because for me it already acts like a foundation. And one more thing I like to do is I like to apply the product also on my neck. Okay, so next step is I like to put on powder on top of my primer, and I like this one from Max Factor. It is called FaceFINITY Compact Foundation in Sand. And if you look at it, it has color, and I think it's like the perfect shade for my skin. And I kind of just like apply it with a brush and just kind of set the primer. And I use powder over creams because we are in a tropical country and it gets really hot, and I really prefer to have like matte skin over like that Korean kind of glass skin. I'm not really a fan of that, and I don't think I can pull it off. But yeah, I'm just more comfortable with oil-free skin. So this one does the job. Okay, so next up is contour, and I really love this one from Tom Ford. This is the Soleil Contouring Compact. It's called Soleil Afterglow, and it comes complete. It has the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. So this is really perfect, and I use this every day. I really love it. So I just apply it underneath my cheekbones. Like, you wouldn't want to make it too low or else it'll look like a beard. But yeah, just go underneath your cheekbone. Also the other side. Okay. Yeah. And kind of just blend it. Make sure you don't have like one streaky line there. You have to blend it. Okay. That's it. Okay, so the next step is to apply blush, and this one is my favorite. This is Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Color in Terrarose. I always get asked about this. I always get asked what my blush is, and if you can see it, it comes in this shade. And this is really perfect for morena skin or if you have an olive complexion like me. So I just apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Just like that. And I love how it gives me like a healthy glow. The color is really so nice. So for me, the 3 makeup items I can't live without is really blush, kilay, and a nice lipstick. So yeah, that's all I need. And it really makes me look young. A lot of people ask me like how I look young. I think it's really the blush. That's really my secret. And if you find the right shade, it just helps make you look young and fresh. And yeah. There. Okay, so my next step is kilay, and this is the most important step, I think, apart from the blush. And this is my favorite. This is K Palette. It's lasting two-way eyebrow liquid, and I use this all the time. I actually stock up on this just to make sure that I don't run out, especially when I travel, because I finish these things so fast. Okay, so apply. Actually, I need a mirror. When it comes to applying eyebrow makeup, I really love K Palette because it looks very natural and it doesn't really deposit so much product. Like, you're able to manage and control it. And I just follow my natural eyebrow line. First the top, like this. And then, yeah, there. I don't do anything drastic with my eyebrows because I really don't like that super squarish or super shaped eyebrow. Yeah, as much as possible, I just like to look natural. And I try to follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. This particular product really lasts for 24 hours, which is why I'm such a fan. It stays on the whole day. Next. Actually, one tricky thing about my eyebrows is they're actually not pantay. They're not symmetrical, so I have to adjust. Like, this one is shorter and this one is longer, so I have to like find a balance. I have to find a balance when it comes to applying my eyebrow makeup. Just try to fill it in as much as I can naturally and still following my natural eyebrow line. There. Also the bottom. Okay. There. Is it pantay? And to be sure my eyebrows look natural, I brush them just to make sure I don't have that really hard line. And everything just kind of blends with my hair. There. Okay, so the next step is eyeshadow. And I use this one from NARS. So I got this limited edition one. This is NARS by Erdem. And it has like a really beautiful palette. And I like to use this one. This is the matte one. And these ones I use when I'm at the beach. I kind of just put it over my eyelids. And they look fantastic. They really like shine and they look so pretty. And these two I use for my lower lash lines. when I go out sometimes because it has like a nice pop of color and it's also metallic, so it's really pretty. Okay, so make sure to blend it really well. Just kind of follow, if you can feel like your orbital bone. I know that sounds really technical, but kind of try to blend it there so it looks very natural. And the other side as well. Just try to blend it and do a nose line while you're at it. There. And then, yeah, do a nose line. And the next step is to apply this eyeshadow on your lower lash line to create like a wide awake look. Just apply it here. And then the other side. So you may think that this little step doesn't really do much, but actually I see the difference when I do it and when I don't, or when I forget to do it. And it really makes a big difference. My eyes look bigger and more awake and more defined. But I just line it really until here, like that. And it does wonders. Okay, so the next step is to use this eye pencil. This is like a waterproof eyeliner from K Palette. And I love this. It's called Real Lasting Eye Pencil One Day Tattoo. And it really lasts like 24 hours. It doesn't smudge at all. And I use it to apply here in my tight line. So I just apply it. I need to lift the top part here and just line the inner part. For some people who have fear of touching their eye, this may pose a problem, but it doesn't really bother me. And I don't know, for me it makes a big difference. And it has like a more natural look as opposed to just lining your lids or your eyelid like that. I prefer to do it inside. Other side. There, did it make a difference? I think it did. And yeah, I think my eyes look more defined and it still looks very natural. So I love this. Eyelash curler. So this one is from Uemura and it's the gold one. And then the next step is to use mascara, and this is the one I like to use. This is MAC Up For Everything Lash. So this is how the brush looks, and it really deposits a lot of product, which I love because I have chinita eyes. So there. I just like to do 1 or 2 coats. Anything more than that is too much for me and it gets really clumpy, and I find that to be like not cool, like it looks messy. Okay, so for the last part, it's lipstick, and I love this one from Sunnies Face. This is Milkshake, and I also use this sometimes for my cheeks when I don't apply any makeup on or any foundation, primer, and I just use this directly on my skin, and it looks great because it's matte. So I apply it like this, and I kind of smudge it to spread it. And what I like to do is apply a lighter shade of lipstick, and this is Shut Up and Kiss Me from Happy Skin. I also like using MAC Honey Love, and I can't find it right now, so I'm just using this instead. And I mix the two to create like a more nude shade. I just like to mix the two lipsticks to create this shade, and I think it's the perfect nude shade. I get asked so many times about it, what is my lipstick? And I kind of have to explain that it's a mix of two lipsticks. Milkshake by Sunnies Face, and this one is Too Cool from Shut Up and Kiss Me, but I also use MAC Honey Love. I just can't find it right now. Yeah. There you have it. That is my everyday makeup routine. I told you this is very quick and easy and also very simple and natural. And as much as possible, I really try to look like myself. I really don't like it when I have to erase my face and then draw something new. I like to keep things as natural and as easy as possible. And on a good day, I can do this in about 10 minutes. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I really love hearing from you guys. That's it for me. I hope you like my everyday makeup routine, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!